The funding mechanism for higher level qualifications is going to change in 2010-2011, and the intention is that that should be more demand-driven. Whether it's actually a train-to-gain kind of mechanism that's used for higher-level qualifications, I have my doubts, but there will certainly be changes in the way in which HE is funded to the way it is at present. There have already been some changes in the quality protocols that we use to govern higher-level qualifications, and there will be more. We're looking at performance indicators, we're looking at how data is collected, and we're looking at other national systems in order to incentivise and reward this kind of work, because at the present time it's not necessarily at the top of the reward tree. We've just seen the publication of outcomes of the research assessment exercise, and at the moment there are far more rewards associated with research than with employer engagement. Let's hope that changes. One of the targets which we feel confident of achieving is 100,000 participants in foundation degrees by 2010. We're very well on track to achieve that, and further education colleges have played a huge part in that agenda. But some analysis that FDF have done is interesting, I think. They have identified that at this point in time, further education colleges are largely responsible for the delivery of full-time foundation degrees, in other words, preparing people to enter the workplace, whereas most part-time foundation degrees targeted towards people who are actually in the workplace are actually being delivered by higher education. And I think that explodes some of the myths around the role of HEIs in this agenda as well. So there is some scope for development there, I think. But we're all moving towards sector-based qualifications, and credit frameworks should help us in that respect.